finding a wheelchair that suits everybody to the best of their disability is a difficult thing to do. There are thousands and thousands of wheelchairs online and in stores, but most people find it very difficult to get electric wheelchairs that will accommodate their disability. Most chairs are heavier, bulky, or very skeletal, that they do not fit the disability of the person. Most wheelchairs will not climb stairs, but I have looked around for wheelchairs that will accommodate most of the disabilities that people face in the healthcare field that I work. Today, I'm making this video to help you to look at the new type of wheelchair that will allow you to move around, to do things a bit more than most of the ones you've seen around or online. We're going to see an exposition by a company showcasing the beginning of a stair climbing wheelchair that makes it so easy to control and move around. Today we are looking at the top 10 best wheelchairs around, but the main important thing is you're going to see this wheelchair in action and choose between the older wheelchairs that you've been used to, the bulky ones, and this new one, which gives you a bit of a lot more flexibility than the ones you know. So let's take a look at what we have here. In this video, we are looking at this wheelchair and we are seeing a live experimentation of somebody who is deformed using it in different atmospheres or conditions, even where there is no accessibility or disability accessibility provided. So let's see. Many people will suggest you just go online and get a wheelchair, but sometimes the difficulty comes when you, the deformed person or the person with disability, cannot carry the wheelchair by yourself, or you cannot easily get out of it. So we are looking at this one that will give you all the leverage to move in and out of your wheelchair with ease and control it from a simple mobile device that is even easier for a kid to operate. Let's look at the video and make our decision as to whether we are going to stay with the clumsy old type wheelchair that we've been seeing around, or wheelchairs that will not climb stairs with us, wheelchairs that need people to push them around, or wheelchairs that make you feel so stagnated that you cannot move by yourself except you have a help. But today in this video we are looking at a wheelchair that does all that and give you even more flexibility, knowing that there is a balance, there is a stair, there is a way that you can go around without needing much help. This is the reason why we created this video, so that it will help people with disability like my friend to be able to move around without needing much help. Have you ever wondered how painful it is that you want to climb a stair in a school dorm? You have to wait for a friend to push you. Have you ever wondered that you want to go into an elevator, you need somebody to push you? But this wheelchair gives you leverage over obstacles that has never been easier. This wheelchair makes all the difference and gives you most of the freedom that you seek as somebody with a disability. Disability is not a disease, but up till now science and technology have not been able to create adaptable features that really fit different disabilities. So I decided to come up with this video, and I'll be making a series of these, each time recommending a wheelchair, especially electrical ones, that will make mobility easier for most of the people with disability. A mother of a child with deformity has to carry a heavy 95-pound wheelchair around, pushing the child and getting stuck in tight spaces. This mother now has a wheelchair that folds, that moves easily, that adjusts to height, and is safe for the child. So let's take a look at this video and enjoy it. Please make sure you subscribe if you like this video. It might not be the best online, but you are getting an information that is not selling you anything. Look down in the description and see links that will lead you to getting this wheelchair, and if you do so, you will thank me later. I believe this wheelchair is a game changer for disability and the disabled. Thank you.